adjust this because he didn't want to lift through his withers. Yeah, he's tight this way too. Oh, buddy.
He got cast like probably a month ago now.
Okay. Oh. Good boy. Boy.
Not there yet. Coming though.
Yeah. It's next. One right there too. Oh. Right there too. Wow.